Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Dollar Tree walkthrough. This is the location that is a little bit further away from my house. And by the end of the week, I'm hoping to drive out a little bit and go to a couple of other Dollar Trees that are a little bit further from my house. So I'm super excited about that. But until then, I did want to do another walkthrough of one of my closest Dollar Trees because we know every day the Dollar Tree changes or can change. So I found some interesting items and a haul will follow this walkthrough as well. I did pick up a few items when I was there. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, walkthroughs, that kind of thing. So if you enjoy those types of videos, you are definitely in the right place. Become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. I also just reviewed a couple of products from the Be Pure, Be Color line of skincare and makeup that you find at the Dollar Tree. I'll have those linked down below if you're interested in seeing those, as well as my store walkthrough playlist, my Dollar Tree walkthrough playlist, my Dollar Tree haul playlist, any kind of relevant content. So if you enjoy this video, definitely go check out some of my other content. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video.